Hi, thanks for joining us for our Linux Red Hat distribution installation video. The process is fairly straightforward and simple. If you're inviting somebody and want to send them an email to install, you can do so from the install page. Just enter their email address and click send, or sign into the DriveStrike console on the web from the device itself and then go to the install page. In this case, we're showing an email invitation, so from the device itself, we'll go ahead and click here to install link, which is going to go ahead and prompt for a script download. Save that file. You can also follow the directions here, which are pretty straightforward, but we're going to do the video as well. So you're going to want to sue into the device, then change directories to the downloads directory, and make it an executable script. So we can just do this. Okay, we want to say yes, we want to register, and then you're going to use the email address that you wanted to register under. Usually this is the email address that the invitation was sent to, or the email address associated with the account that you're logged in as. It's going to start off the service and confirm that the installation succeeded. And from here you go to the dashboard and confirm that it was installed. It says that it's ready. And here it's going to go ahead and show that the device is successfully installed, that it got all the information. The rest of the features are all exactly the same as if it were on Ubuntu. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call at 877-375-2468, or you can send us an email, support@drivestrike.com.